have no idea what happened to the traffic rules. Not even one person is wearing a helmet. How shall I go? How shall I go? There are two ways to Whitefield, and one is this way, which is going towards Mahadevapura, and one is this way, which is going towards Marthali. I think. I'll choose this. Because if I go that side, Marthali and some other places are having high traffic, where it will take some time to reach my destination. So on the other hand, this route, medium traffic, where I can reach my destination very soon. Yeah, best I can opt to medium traffic is only the best. Probably. No helmet. Oh god. I know there are cameras where they're taking pictures where people who is not putting helmets, riding with helmets, but even though, see how people are, traveling so comfortably without helmets, and going triples, and even 4 people on the road. So these are the places where you don't have cameras like to identify. Oops, another guy. See? Wrong road. No helmet. Again, no helmet. Wow. And especially these guys, the YOLO. Wow. These guys are totally ridiculous. You can't even predict them, where they're coming, where they're going, where they are. They might be in they might be in left of you, right for you. If you are trying to take a left turn or right turn, please make sure you check behind that they are not there. Yeah, that's what I can tell. That's it. Wow. This clearly makes sense. So guys, I'll almost reached my destination. So I'll visit you soon. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.